I've been exploring Readyretirement Retirement Planner in 2025, and I have to say, it's a straightforward and reliable tool for anyone looking to get a clearer picture of their financial future. It's designed to help users map out their retirement goals, track progress, and make informed decisions without overwhelming them with complexity. What stands out about Ready Retirement is its user-friendly interface. The platform guides you through setting up your retirement plan by inputting basic financial information like income, expenses, savings, and investment details. It then provides projections and insights to help you understand where you stand and what adjustments might be necessary to reach your retirement goals. While it offers a solid foundation for retirement planning, it's worth noting that Ready Retirement may not have the advanced features found in some other financial planning tools. For instance, it might lack in-depth investment analysis or the ability to model complex financial scenarios. However, for individuals seeking a clear and concise overview of their retirement readiness, it serves its purpose well. Overall, Ready Retirement Planner is a practical choice for those who want to take control of their retirement planning without diving into overly complicated software. It provides the essential tools needed to set goals, monitor progress, and make adjustments along the way. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, share it with someone planning their retirement, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching.